Welcome, today I'm with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps. That's so simply, just open the Play Store and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then click on the right upper corner, or that can be in your phone on the left upper corner. So click here and tap on the settings. Now choose the network preferences and click on auto update apps. Now you have to switch these to don't auto update apps and click done. So that was successfully changed. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.